Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one thing, man. It's super hard. But I'm having a good time with it, man. I'm passionate about it. I'm working on it every day, man, and I'm making good progress. And we're doing it all live right here, building a fun community. Love to have you be a part of it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. We live. Where the chat at? Let me see here. Let's close that. Close that. I ain't got no chat. Let's refresh. Oops. So what do I do about the chat? Oh, man. I cannot see the chat. What do I do? Maybe use my phone. Always something, man. All right, here we go. Signature. What's going on? Nova Trading in the building. 10 o'clock jobs numbers. Okay. The delay's really nice on here, man. Yeah, you too, Signature. Yeah, I'm gonna try and wait for sure. See if the market will really go up. My scanner was bogus this morning. It was straight empty. All right. MU's looking strong. Hey, what's up, Leon? All right, I got you today, Leon. What up, Pond? So this love trade is from bro, I was messing with my hotkeys this morning, and I was trying to see if it worked because all my hotkeys were putting in bracket orders yesterday, and I was messing with the script to take out the bracket and just have the stop, which I didn't work because it did not put in any order after entering, and I just messed it up. I was not trying to take a trade, which was stupid. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking about, but anyway, just don't worry about that. We're gonna get it together. But yeah, yesterday I just wouldn't wait for the market to show me its hand, and just immediately went long. So yeah, I'm just chilling, man. I'm gonna chill. Let the spy show me what direction we're going in, and if we're going up, I'm gonna take some longs, and if we're not going up, um, I don't know. I might take a peek at the SQs or just sit on my hands. Yeah, no doubt, Leon. No doubt. Man, what's going on with Delta, bro? Were they the one? They were the ones having like most of the problems. It seemed like I can't remember, but it's weird how Love is gapping up today in a big way, and Delta's doing terrible. Um, I got you, Leon. I'm really disappointed that I don't have my chat pop out. Like, what's up with that? Well, we are downtrending in the SPY so far. All right, Pond. I'm ready though. I'm buying red today, assuming we start moving up. And I appreciate you going over my trades, man. You guys go check out Pond Trading's channel, man. But he went over my trades for yesterday, and I appreciate that, bro. Got some good insights. Definitely found myself, I guess, just not being afraid to buy the strength, but just the practicality of it. I get it. You know, if it's strong, then buy the dips. And a lot of my ads too are really aggressive, and it just messes up my risk profile. So try to have a more measured approach today. XPEP is doing nice. Baidu's doing nice. This might be China stock day, man. What NIO's talking MZN. About. Amazon. NIO might be kind of cool. Little gap up today. Market's going down though. But China's up. NIO is weak though. NVIDIA. Ooh, look at that nice pattern on the one. You definitely got some relative strength going on. I'm scared to tap in without the SPY though. Actually, my thesis was that you could take early trades, but you got to get right out because the SPY is going to eventually overwhelm whatever relative strength is there. But I'm okay with just being patient. Just wait. I think I do a lot better when I wait. PLTR. Yeah, I like PLTR. PLTR, XPEV, Baidu. Baba looks like it's trying to reverse.
B a C.
Oh, look at the spy. Whoa, Nelly.
SMCI, HOOD. GOOGL.
Feeling a little revenge over here on on love.
An MD. Order filled.
I'm gonna try it.
BA.
I'm behind the red thing. Yeah, that's silly. And it's below the yeah, I'm tripping. That's revenge all the way. Let's get out of there. Alright. Man, now it's like the day I don't want to buy strength, everything's super strong and moving out. And love is about to die again.
MRVL.
Man, that's $1 though. Hmm. Man, Tesla's wild. Tesla's wild.
Order filled. Got definitely some I can swap here. Hood. Yo, hood up to no good. Mm. SMCI. Order filled. A VGO.
That's a little tight on the stop. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it down there. I'll take that extra.
Yeah, this ain't going. Yo, what up, Juice? Yeah, I could just waited for that ad, huh? Let's chill. All right, market is on. Market is on. And I'm playing soft right now. I feel like yesterday I would have been in 3-4 positions right now, caking. But what up, GC? Bruh, I'm really sad that I can't get my stream to pop out.
JD.
There's gotta be something I could do. Whatever. How do you execute a hotkey when you click on the chart? I thought you had clicked on the montage. You're selling to strength. Man, what you talking about, dog? I know there are, bro, and I'm feeling extra passive. Yo, what up, Trey? Man, everything's moving up mad aggressively, and I'm being all.
Order filled.
Stupid love trade.
MU. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Thanks, Leon. See how it works. Nine-minute Jadis. Bruh, SMCI is just like going. Golly. I mean, that thing is going. Ugh, spy pulling back. Spy with the big pullback.
Forgot Baba don't actually move with our market. What was that? Yo, what up, Tech? um, I sure did forget that. Um, FXY or something like that. Japanese yen trust. China large cap ETF. Don't work, it don't work. Dang, bro, I missed the whole market run up. I guess we not broken until back under 559.56. Sheesh. I'm saying. I'm over here terrified. I don't know.
Order filled.
Dang, there goes Baidu. Look like Baba's gonna be next. PLTR. Might as well go to swag. It's a trap.
Order filled.
I was jumping the gun though. I could have waited for the 5. I could have definitely waited for the 5. Which we gonna do now. Oh man, what a play on MU right there, man. That was actually really nice.
Order filled.
I'm still not waiting for the 5, but 3 minutes for that.
Order filled.
That says Marcus Roller, but I'm gonna go right there with it anyway. Wait for jolts in 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 o'clock. Okay. Still no trade, Leon. New high of day on MU. Oh. Well, look like probably gonna stop the rest out, break even though I know it's just the data. To give it room or to not give it room. Ain't like I got a super good average price or something, but all right, MU surviving. Baidu's down at lows. Baba's down at lows. What's the job data's word? What's the word? What's the word? It's looking like a buy right now.
Order filled.
Is that Baba? Not gonna get too carried away. I don't know Baidu like that.
Order filled.
All right, MU's cooking real nice. We got one share of Baba here. Oh, okay, should we put some stops in, you think?
Capital C.
Well, that got
Order filled.
chopped quite rapidly. Spy with the swipe and push. Yeah, I don't know.
New low a day on the SPY. What's the numbers? Bad? It's looking bad.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hosed again.
Order filled.
What up, Trey? See, when I got in Baba, I was like, this is gonna be my one tester to see if the market's actually going up, and then went ahead and jumped in the whole ship. Well, yeah, now it's in the dump, but when I was taking these, I thought, let's see, let me put this on the 5. Yeah, I gotta keep this on the 5. Ten o'clock. In my defense, Trey, at 10 o'clock, the SPY was green and it just made it over the opening range. But I think I want to use the the 5 for that confirmation. I was looking down there, but I'm pretty sure it's the 1-minute chart. And it did just make a new low though. What'd you do, Trey?
Order filled.
Borderline dumpster dive. Smug still ain't closed over. All right, so 5 on the 5. I mean, spy on the 5. I can trade the rest on the 1. Should have just took the SQs. Everything feels dead.
Order filled.
That's what's up, Trey.
Order filled.
What else to do at this point? It's probably gonna reverse and stop me out there too. And I think if I probably don't even. I don't really want to do the. I don't like flipping to the SQs because it'd be so. It's just an extra trade that you could have done without if it comes back again. But it's looking pretty dark. Man, what's up, OG? Yeah, it's been rough, man. I'm telling you, Pond. All right. Mm. Like, bruh, I really want to add. I just don't know what to make of this, man.
Order filled. The market's going down. I mean, that's the setup. How about this break of the 5 minute candle over the 20 EMA? Stop under this low, and it's working.
Now you kind of you're getting back to the point, GC, where it's like, what's the benefit to the vibe of the room and to my personal vibe for having you in here? Like, if that's all you're gonna do every day you're gonna come in here and tell me I'm this and tell me I'm doing that. It's just like, just why, bro? Why? Yeah, it's definitely go back and forth, but it's just like, bro, if the market's down, what am I gonna do? Just nothing. That's funny. Hey, what's up, Gus? I need some fishing lessons, Gus. Appreciate it, Gus. You left a like. Does that make us even? I guess so. Well, here's yesterday's low. What was it 555, 56, I think, or 65 on the penny. I hear you, Gus. That sure does not look like buy it back up volume right there.
Thanks, Gus. Candle's getting narrow as it approaches there. What does it mean? Something's gonna happen. Should I get my SQ out? We're definitely chilling break even. I don't see any buyers for real though. I think she's gonna flush. Well, there they go. Off of yesterday's low. That's so funny. I was really gonna take profit at that high. I was actually waiting for that, but I guess I should have looked at that thing to take profit. But we'll see if it actually makes it past the moving average. I'll just keep it at 47. It's another trap. Of course, that's where people would buy it at yesterday's low. It's a trap. I should have bought some more as SQs right there. Take the pipeline. I'm using OBS to stream through YouTube using the key. I used to use OBS just natively and manage the stream through OBS, but it was messing up. It was messing up. I feel the same way, OG. It's just taking a little longer than I wanted it to.
Order filled.
Yeah, with the managing the stream on YouTube, I was able to lower my latency a lot to make the back and forth a lot faster. So yeah, that seems pretty cool. That's a trip because Al Brooks seems pretty legendary with his knowledge. Yeah, no doubt. Did I say juice? Yeah, Al Brooks got the juice. For sure. All right, what's it gonna be here?
Mm-hmm. Ty Lopez, yeah, I heard of that guy. What's his? Is he legit or nah? Cause he seems like he has the scammer template, but I don't know if he's legit or not. Yeah, the Furu. That's what that's that's what I have him categorized as, is like a fake influencer guy. Oh, the Furu is his icon, or he got the juice. Oh, okay. Minus 3R. Yeah. I hear you, signature. Knowledge. Ah, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember his video in the garage where he had the really nice car, but he had the big bookshelf in the garage. Like, this is what it's really about. Which, I mean, he's not wrong. You know, it be facts. It just comes off to people as disingenuous, right? While he flexes the Lambos, exactly. And it feels wrong praying for the market's demise too, being in the SQs. It's like flush, flush, flush. I just don't want to get slapped both directions. That's the like. I think I'm gonna have to agree with you guys about just when the market's doing this. If there's no long, sit on hands. Got to give it some weight when you and Trey are saying the same thing. We break this low, I'm going heavy, yo. I'm adding over this 5 minute hammer for shizzle. Shizzle tizzle. Low over here, 65. We got to 60. Oh, we got a new low of day there. Boy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna have me some fun. What up, Artem? VIX over 30 soon. Boy, what's this? It doesn't show any volume or any. I guess I should just feel blessed that I can even watch the VIX from this platform. Is that what that means? Here it comes. The flush. Yo, she's flushing, yo. VXX. Ah, my man GC, look at you, bro. Give me
Order filled.
I really don't want to take any shares out. Like, I just want to ride this mug down and drop my stop. Guess we can ride the EMA, huh?
We right here. We ain't going anywhere. All right, what's some levels over here for this guy? I don't think we got anything in sight. Lord have mercy. What, we coming down here to 540? I mean, I guess we should assume 550 would be something of interest first, but I ain't selling a daggone nothing. Nah, I might sell a little bit. What was that? VXX? Shoot, this might be the new homie right here, man. Look at the VXX go. 60 incoming. I gotta stop taking so many trades at the same time. That's definitely an old habit that's coming back. Cause it's like, okay, if the market creeps over, the 5-minute range starts making highs, then let's take a trade. But to take like 5 of them and then the market rolls over, it's like, dang, that was unnecessary. You could have just, but it's like, this is like my second day without the shackles on. So I'm redefining some boundaries here. And I'm having a good time. I caught myself being fearful this morning. I didn't like that. Man, what's this down? No, it's only down 1%. Still early though, huh? The Joker closed at 540. Man, that would be crazy. I remember that. Seeing the market halt, the whole market, like, whoa. Whoa. It's been a pretty eventful last few years for us COVID traders. We got to see, AMC and GMC and GME. Uh-oh. Dang. Is it gonna smash through the moving average or bounce? I don't see no real crazy volume coming in. Missed out on COVID market. Yeah. Yeah, it was a wild time. Everything was so cheap, man. I mean, it was unbelievable.
I didn't build any kind of portfolio. I was like slapping my forehead like, bruh, everything was so cheap. Yeah. I started learning how to trade in the end of 2019 and took my first trade in like February or March of 2020. Quit my job, and then 2 weeks later the world shut down. Anywhere, right. Mm. Yeah, I'm not seeing the volume coming in to signify a reversal, especially on the 5. Like, if buyers are stepping up, it's only a few of them. What up, Dirk? Yeah, I'm kind of getting whipsawed a little bit.
Order filled.
Just broke back below 555. What it's gonna be? What up, Jack? Man, you sound like you just having a smooth little ride on them small caps, Dirk. I've been having a hard time, man. Just trying to trade with the market. But
it doesn't feel like an impossible challenge. Like I can get it. I just got to be more patient and stop piling in every time I see a setup or, you know, something I feel like is a buying opportunity. All right, let's see here. Yeah, I got my money to the downside, but I mean, obviously, right? But it's just the volume. Like if I saw some huge volume coming in on the SPY, then I would be like, okay, this is the bounce. But it's just not there. Let's check out DWTX. Wow, that's a nice little clean chart, man. Not bad. Not bad. The small caps you trade, Dirk, seem a lot nicer than the ones that I trade when I end up on a small cap. Mine are always crappy. No, you're definitely right, Jack. You're definitely right. Whenever I feel like I'm trying something new, though, I tend to throw a big net and have to reel it back in. So I was just sitting here thinking that low flow below 10 million. Yeah, I saw that, Dirt. That thing is rolling. All right, is this the end? It's the end of the world. Low is 94, sitting at 91. That's cool. I'll go 89. I feel fine. Flashing both sides of order flow. Oh, okay. That makes sense, Gus. So what are you seeing on the level 2 though that tells you that? Like, bro, when I look at it, I mean, it's moving so fast. I don't even see how you can find anything significant. I mean, I do see big orders come through sometimes and it seems to get hung up right there. But I guess you're watching at levels, at significant levels. I'm assuming. I almost want to ride this thing down to back to the moving average on the 5. Especially since I haven't taken any profit, but
Order
that seems
filled.
stupid. Sitting here fighting with Gus.
Order filled.
Yeah, I imagine, Gus. Hmm. Hmm. That actually looks kind of cool. Yeah, I am actually Benjamin again. Man, I like PLTR, but I'm still waiting to see what the spy talking about. Still looking uber sketchy to me. Dang, SMCI just couldn't wait for a minute. These are clear uptrend patterns, so just trying to wait. Yeah, I guess I couldn't really argue with you there, Paul. It's I think my accuracy is in reading the market. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense, but like reading the right time to take my trades.
in the market, like the market condition. Because I mean, it's kind of become very obvious that I do bad when the market goes down, and so I haven't figured out how to keep my butt out of the market when it's days like this. Better than yesterday. Better than yesterday. Yeah, my gut was telling me on the cues that the SPY was just gonna move back to its moving average and bounce right back down. Cause I don't know anything about level 2 and all that stuff, but I do know typically when there's a big move and it's going to reverse, you can see it in the volume. Like the volume comes in like crazy. Kind of like this. Like see how this kicked off the down move. All right, we went up here and it was like and then boom. But this could just be me. This could be the end still. We'll see what happens at this bottom right here. Have a tear sweating in their eye. Yeah, I'm one of them, Ben. Yeah, well, I hope to be a smidgen as good as you one day, Uncle Paul. Struggle bus ain't comfortable. All right, what do we do here? I can't go crazy. I gotta wait. I gotta at least get the SPY back over the moving average, yo. In the meantime, I'll play with this Chinese stock that maybe doesn't have anything to do with the SPY. And Baba too. Over this 5-minute candle, I would say. Yeah, I just got so many biases Nova trading. Like I always want to buy and hold for the trend. I gotta be more like water. Like, me and Trey been talking about being water. Pond told me that. Be water. And just go with the flow. And I have moments, where I can move away from my expectations and just trade the chart. But like Paul said, them joints is few and far in between right now. What's it gonna be? See, now we're getting some volume. A little bit. It's $1 stop. I'm gonna get what, 2 shares? What's this, over 18?
Order filled.
I do miss my auto stop, that's for sure. Yeah.
That's awesome, Gus. Thanks for hanging out, man. I know, bro. I've been sitting here watching SMCI, wishing I had the foresight to buy it down there at the at the Lowe's. That dip. All right, Spy. What's it gonna be? Still ain't made it to your moving average, but you look like you want to do something. I really want to take POTR. Just doesn't make sense yet. The 6 month, yeah. I mean, it looks pretty low to me, bro. But you know, I'm just today could be a nice little bounce. Bro, I'm supposed to be adding right here over this 5.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's what I just realized, Trey. Like, let me get out of the US market and take a couple of these China names till the spy gets back over the okay, 5 minute spy just touched. I think all these stocks want to go up. They just need the spy to get where it needs to get to. I should have jumped in Baidu over there too. Get my money back. Glad I never jumped back in that trash. Boy, what a stupid stock to test your hotkey out on. A lot of time. Yeah, what up, Bond? I know, man. 2 days in a row, man. I've been really excited to kind of stretch my legs on a good spy day, but just can't get one yet. But I mean, I need these days too. I got to figure out how to survive these days. These days are actually the ones that I need more than anything. I got to figure out how to navigate these days. It's like when the market's going up, it's almost too easy. But it doesn't do that a lot.
Order filled.
Whoa, that brought my average up way high. Now we're really in the sauce. Oh gosh. No. Way high. That was crazy. I think I need to add with my montage instead of my hotkey. Boy, low PLTR was at 1. I really wanted to take PLTR, but trying to wait. Okay, SPY is now above the moving average. So I got permission to play now. Bids. Baidu has no volume. Let's just get rid of that. MU looks great. Yeah, I know you like the expensive ones. Coin, Root. Root just looks like volumeless. Coin though, I'll put that up. Oh, I got MU up here already.
Order filled.
MU. And SMCI. SMCI gave a nice little pullback. All right, now we having some fun. What we got left? 9, something like that. Bro, I need to get some realized.
Order filled.
Come on, dog. Can't afford coin right now. Okay, yellow looks nice. It's up there though. It's way up there. This could all just roll over just as fast. That's what's up, Leon. Bro, XPEV ain't had nothing. Nothing. XPEV going, Baba's going. It's about to be a wrap. L wrap.
On Ray. $137.3. So raise my stop. I got my stop at 137.21 on Baba.
Order filled.
Well, this is it. Baba and PLTR. I ain't gonna survive Baba till it's wrong. Yeah, this is not good. Yeah, Baba's gonna kick me out. I should have dropped Baba, man.
Order filled.
That sucks. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did. Foolishly. Had a lot of orders get rejected yesterday because the place I wanted to put my stop was so far that I wouldn't even get one share with my risk profile. Kind of the same reason I went up to $3 last time. Even with the SPY crossing back over, it's still in a downtrend. There's no other way to cut it. Well, definitely back in the sunken place. Just can't win, man.
Order filled.
Thanks, Jack. I need a bull run from the market, man, just to get some, to see some uptrends in front of my face. Cause I hit my $20 max loss pond and it kicked me out. I didn't have enough risk. I had too many trades on, didn't have enough risk to go down that low on Baba. Yeah. Just taking too many trades at the same time, bro. While the market is still unclear. I mean, it's still downtrending, bro. Like, that's the thing. Even if it has a pop and pops above the moving average, it's still below. It's still a downtrend in the higher time frames, you know. Yeah. Ain't that what the weekend's for though, Leon?
Order filled.
The only reason I traded Love is because I wanted back my little pre-market fumble. SQs was cool. I should have just taken profit at the top. I knew it was there too because it was, this top coincided with the SPY running into yesterday's low. Like, obvious place to take profit, but didn't do that. MU, I'm actually cool with my entry. MU actually went up to a nice little amount there, but did not take that. I mean, nah, I mean, considering I probably risked back to this previous low back here, this was probably not even 1R. SMCI, backside on that one. Bruh, I do not like trying to trade Baba on the back like that. All right. So we started the week, stripped everything down, and it was just I just basically was like, I'm coming in here to trade. Um, it's so tough to it's just like I felt like I had my foot on the brake this morning, waiting for the SPY, and I sat here and watched, pretty nice higher high, higher low setups, and then yeah, I think one trade at a time is going to be a shackle that is necessary, at least until I get better at reading the market as far as knowing when it's time to go and when it's not. Like that's kind of I don't know when it's go time. And like test the waters, take a trade or two. I think really the only time that there should be multiple trades on is that I've already taken profit and moved my stop to break even on something, and it's just not really requiring much management. But just like firing off into 3 and 4 trades, all with risk and adding, that's stupid. That's stupid. Yeah. What's the cap on SMCI? $32. Mm. I'm not sure. I'm not saying I'm not sure if I can read the price action. I'm just not finding my right time when in the market. Is it really that though? Mm. Mid range. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, this was hella backside. Um, so when you say back test Nova, can you explain like what exactly you mean by like when I was feeling my way through the orb, um my scanner has back testing where you can run the orb scanner on, other days, and I would do that and I would write down the the stocks that came up, and then I would go trade those in the replay sim. I don't know if that's what you mean. All right, Leon, thanks for hanging out, bro. Appreciate all the support, man. I'm just going around and round in circles. Thanks, man. Oh, yeah, I do that, Nova. I actually was trying to make myself do like a certain amount of time every day. Paul, I'm right here, bro. Ah. Well, some things for sure for tomorrow. One stock at a time. Um, I mean, when I go through though and look, these would be great trades, but I'm risking super wide now. Thanks, Jack. Have a good one, bro. Yeah, yeah, I do that, Nova. Um, yeah. Yeah, PLTR would have been cool. I got stopped out of PLTR because of my I just was too far past my risk. But yeah, this was a cool entry for sure. Hmm. I'm hearing you, Ben. I'm just not. I don't really like the orb, man. I don't. I like trading higher lows on the one. The first one.
Yeah, please, Leon. The first one. I used to not care about any of that. Like my freest is just the first higher low, man. Like this is the way I see price action. I mean, of course, you got the chop is really hard to read, and that's something I struggle with. But when the tops and bottom, when the highs and lows are separate from each other and clear, then that's when it becomes easier for me to trade. And so, like right out the open, you're making new highs, and I mean you don't make any new lows actually until here. But you kind of establish your opening range, and then you break up above, and you pull right back to it. And so I just hopped in, and added as we moved over that level. Got slapped back down, but it kept rolling, and took profit out here. You know, this was pretty much what I want to be doing. And I think, I mean, this is just too high to add to me for real. Looking at it from here, this feels like just too high. Like we're in profit zone up here, like profit taking zone. And instead of adding there, I should have just been chilling. Probably tried to take some a little bit out that double top, and then raised my stop up tight under there. Hold on one second, y'all. Y'all, my yeah, so I like this, like right over the opening range, getting a position and then selling at the highs. But yeah, the ad was stupid. The ad was up way too high. I mean, look, it's at the top of this move, bro. It's too much. So yeah, get rid of the ad there, and we got a really good trade. Maybe take out the rest up here, or stop out under these lows. And then we sell off. You know, that's cool. And then we start, especially here, we get this higher high, higher low. Like, I want to mess with that. It's the first one after a nice pullback. We're over the moving average. I want to take that higher high, higher low, put the stop in, maybe buy the second one too. And then take profits back at the highs again.
But if I don't use the 1 minute, then there's nowhere to buy in there's nowhere to buy to open until the backside of the move a lot of times. Yeah, that's been a struggle too, Ben, just trying to clearly define. And that's why I start adding things like, okay, it's got to be above the opening range. Like it's got to, be actually moving up. When, I mean, in reality, the higher high, higher low takes care of so much. But I don't know why that's not simple enough. Yeah, I don't know. I got some stuff to think about. I appreciate all y'all's input though. I really do. Just, for y'all just taking a moment to think about what I got going on and spit out some ideas. I appreciate it. I definitely need to spend more time in the replay sim. There's room to get a lot more experience than just the hour or two that I sit here at the open. So that's definitely on the list of things to do. If higher high, higher low was that simple, everyone would do. But isn't it that simple though? Like, how often do I get stopped out on a clean higher high, higher low? Clearly not, though. But I mean, all the rules are clearly not, though. It's not just that one. I like that, Ben. I really remember my best times was I would take half at 2R, and I was totally fine with that. I was totally fine with it. And I would take my half at 2R, and I was taking a lot of trades. So I would take my half at 2R, stop to break even, and then I'll just let it work. If it stopped me out, I got my R. And if it kept going, that's when I would be taking multiple sales. Yeah, Dirk definitely trolling. I like that idea, Ben. I just, but like Trey said, man, I really want to add. uh, hmm. But like, okay, let's look at PLTR again. Like if I get in right here and my goal, like my optimistic target is back to high of day, right? And I get in right here. Where my Epic pen at? So I get in here and my ideal target is high of day, right? And then it starts working. So we get a higher high, higher low, above the moving average, above this previous level. Like, to me, that's an easy boom add, right? And then it goes up again, you know, just like, boom, you add again. And then we finally get up to target, you take the profit. Like what I did here. Well, I mean, I guess I got it. This is the 2-minute chart though. I got it. I traded on the 1. I've actually been trying. I've kind of been fixing the adding stopping me out because I've been keeping my stop at my original stop. And so just accepting that if I get a place to add, then I'm adding more risk. But yeah, it definitely complicates things. It stresses me out too. Okay, I'm willing to ditch the adding. I'm willing to ditch the adding just to remove some variables. And yeah, I'm ready, Dirt. Um I still feel like you haven't told me, Paul, what exactly it is you want me to trade. Clear higher lows. Yeah, that's it, man. That's all I feel like I really need is clear higher lows. I think I'm gonna switch to the 2. There's so many changes, bro. This feels so ridiculous. Mm. What was this, like 3 days of doing this?
An MT.
Please stop saying it's higher high, higher low equals profit. I got you, man. I got you. All right. Got the 15. Small cap. But I can't believe you're calling mid and large cap junk and you want me to trade small caps, Paul. Yeah, I mean, I see the opportunities on the chart every day. It's not that the chart doesn't give the opportunities. It's me. No, I'm right here. I'm with you, Dirk. What we doing? You said you want me to throw some EMAs up here for you? Huh. Our edge is small caps. It's possible. All right, you said you do 6, 18, 48, 100, 200. Good Lord, man. What you got? 6. 18. $48. And then you said 100 and a 200. And then, all right, we're about to see the holy grail of Dirk right here, y'all. Brace yourselves. Lord have mercy. All right. Ooh, what was that? How did that happen? All right. You want me to move the RSI down? Or do you keep it like that? This the 15? Imagine you probably want RSI down low. All right. So, bruh. All right. So it gets darker. So the 6 is the light one. Get that BS off your chart. Come on, Paul. We just sharing ideas here. Paul, you're hilarious. I just feel like there's too many places for me to have I knew other ideas. Like it's too many variables, man. I like that though, Paul. Like it saves it cuts out a lot of wasted time and wasted conversations, just shucking and jiving, just keep it a buck. No one trades for a living in here, if we're being honest. This is just my crew, Gardona. And we just conversating, man. We just conversating. At the end of the day, I get off here and I'm colorblind. um at the end of the day, I go back and I review my trades and then I make my decisions. Right here, this is just the pod, man. It's just the crew. And we just talking concepts and ideas. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna make my own decision and I'm gonna uh come in tomorrow with a plan, hopefully. And you know. In my van. uh, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm coming in like this tomorrow, bro. That's the plan for tomorrow. I appreciate the I'll check those out. Those are people Q always is talking about to me, and he seems to do pretty well following their footsteps. I definitely need to. I don't really have a good network as far as like my Twitter and everything like that. It's pretty whack. I don't really follow that many people who are doing what I'm doing. So I appreciate that, Gardona. Dirk, I'm with you, my guy, Dirk. You know, you ain't got to prove nothing to me, man. We've been trading together for some weeks now, and you know, I don't feel the need for you to drop the K info or anything. But I mean, I understand why other people do, so it's all good. It's all good. Um, yeah, no doubt. Nah, Dirk, I appreciate you being here, man. Um, you ain't got to prove nothing to me, bro. We cool. We cool, man. Um, I'm also Ross Cameron. I mean, you don't have to, but you hanging out here, you could go on and drop the wallet on them so everybody put some respect on your name. One stock at a time, 3 to 4 trades a day. All right, I'm with you, Paul. I'm with you. Notepad back out. Bring the green camera on. Yeah, deja vu. All right. So slow things back down tomorrow. Get back to my circle of my sandbox of discipline. And thanks, Cardona. What does tight stops mean? That I'm going to go with my entry and not use like the last man, Gardona. I would actually, you've been watching, so you feel like it's evolved in a good way. I guess you can't really say that if there's no profitability, huh? Just lots of change. But that's cool. You've been hanging out, man. Tight like a tiger. No, I just mean like, if I want to get in this, like PLTR right here, if I want to get in right here, I'm going to get in at the break and I'm going to put my stop under there and not under here. Even though I would agree that this is where the idea is completely broken as far as the stock moving up. But my idea is that it's about to move up right now. And if that's wrong, then I'll just take the stop. Because using the really wide stop is getting me really tiny amounts of shares and making me feel really antsy, like I need to add as soon as possible. You know? So if I feel like this is the place to buy, then I'm gonna stand on it and I'm gonna put my stop right underneath that low. And that way I'll have the risk to reward I need, and I'm taking half off at 2R, stop to break even. And at that point, I can take another trade. And I think I can set the bracket order to do that for me, to take half off. I'm gonna have to mess with the script, but I think I can do that. Nah, I don't like the orb, man. I mean, the orb is, I'll be trading orbs just because by definition, but I'm not gonna be like exclusively sitting and waiting for the 5-minute range to break. I'm looking for the higher high, higher lows. And yeah. I just gotta take my profits faster. And when it goes, I'll get lots of R's, and when it just goes up to my target, then I'll get 1R. And that's cool. So hopefully I'll increase in the amount of 1R wins I have. And for those rare home run days, I'll still be able to catch those too. Make Hassan disciplined again. I appreciate it, Paul. All right. Yeah, guns blazing didn't work out very well. We're gonna put the guns back in the holster, and we're gonna bring out the musket, where you gotta load that mug up after each shot. Bringing out the musket tomorrow, and I'm just gonna trade, yo, and yeah, this is where I want to be. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. That's the plan, though. Just like this. I'm gonna move this guy over here. Oh, I gotta pop it out. Okay. Um, Thanks, Ben. Hey, if you have the energy, Ben, I wouldn't mind having another conversation just about this stuff. I know I probably don't seem very receptive, but I get it. Um, all right, so we got a plan for tomorrow. I'm feeling good about it, feeling hopeful. Discipline's always the way to go. Anytime you make an adjustment that involves less discipline, it's probably not a good idea. um
What do I want to do here?
When it wasn't really tight stops and no ads. So right now, like the approach that I've been, well, I feel like I've always had pretty tight stops. I guess maybe when I was doing low of day stops, they were kind of further back. All right, I'm with that, Paul. I'm with that. I don't know what I want to do with my layout. All right. All right, we ready. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. That's cool, man. 23 people. You guys just hanging out, huh? That's what's up. I don't know, man. The struggle feels like it'll never end. But the market is just really tough right now, and I'm a long bias trader, so I'm trying to maintain that. I'm trying to keep that perspective and just like realize that while I've been having a bad time, the market has been just like going dang near straight down, you know. And it's been a while. Like these were when I was having some good times, and it's bad times in the market. So I'm gonna try to hold that perspective and not like. And that's where all these changes are coming from, because I'm like, bro, what is the deal? What is the deal? But yeah, we got a plan for tomorrow. We'll be good. All right, y'all, man. Be safe out here. Thanks for hanging out with me, man. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free. And catch y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.